Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your goals in Wealthfront. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your goals in Wealthfront, start by logging into your Wealthfront account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Goals section on the main page. Click on Goals to view your current goals in progress. To add a new goal, look for the Add Goal button and click on it. You'll see a list of different goal types to choose from. Select the type of goal that best suits your needs. After choosing a goal type, enter the amount you wish to save. Next, set your target date for achieving this goal. Review your goal settings to ensure they are accurate. Once you are satisfied with your entries, click on the Save button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your goal has been added. To authenticate an existing goal, return to the Goals section. Select the specific goal you wish to authenticate. Click on the Authenticate button next to the goal. Follow the prompts to verify your financial information securely. Ensure that all entered information is accurate before finalizing. After successfully authenticating, you will see an updated status for your goal. You can now monitor your progress on your dashboard. Regularly check back to adjust your goals as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.